Alright gents, it's just after 5:30 in the morning on a Thursday. The sun is just rising, as you can see over there. It's going to be a really warm day today, so I thought I'd head out nice and early, get a ride, less traffic, hit the peaks, and see how we do. Oh, never gets old. So coming out this time in the morning, it's nice and cool, about 20 degrees, and then by the time I'm heading back it'll be warming up 23, 24, which is a nice cool riding temperature. Alright mate. I don't think I've ever seen this place this quiet before. Normally when I come, it's even on the morning rides, maybe 8 AM. I've never really come at 6 AM where I'm here, and it's literally just dead. Look at it, there's no one here. Anyway, so we're going left here. Oh, look at that, beautiful. 50 miles an hour, there's a sign that we like to see. There we go, it's 50. Check out these trees, man. I love it when they do that. They've literally been shaped by trucks and buses coming through, and it just looks epic. Cool, very nice. It's just peaceful. No one on the road. Literally, I'm like the only guy on the road right now. I can see some guys driving in the distance, but in terms of here, just me and the cows. Here she is, all dirty, needs a clean. Look at the state of that. It's alright, we'll sort her out, get back. Oh, for now, onwards and upwards. Just pops, man. So what you got this bike for, just to do this? Crazy road. This is beautiful. This has got to be one of the best roads in the northwest. This single road is just absolutely amazing. It's so smooth. It's got some nice technical bends. It's got some long straights. It's got amazing views. Look at these trees. Oh, it's just epic. Alright, now I'm in uncharted territory. I've never been this way before. And I just want to explore and try and find some new places. So we're going to try this out. I don't know where I'm going exactly, but it's alright, part of the fun. Okay, this doesn't look like a two-way road. What the heck? Oh no, don't think this is a good idea, to be honest. Just saying. Alright. If a car comes down here, it's a crazy road. A little bit scary because this is so narrow. If a car comes down here, you just whoa. What the hell's going on there? God, check this place out. This is crazy. We definitely lost now and we're in a forest, so it's pretty cinematic, this place. I don't know what I'm doing here, man, at 7:30 in the morning, but check this out. Whoa, look at this. Some crazy cliffs, man. This is mental. There's people just living here with these cliffs. Anyway, there you go, guys. Nice ride around Peak District, bit of exploring, some new roads. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
This is land on the side.